What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something major, you guys. I know y'all seen the thumbnail, so y'all already know what it is. This is the brand name. I don't want to butcher the brand, but there goes the brand. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. I love the color scheme. My favorite color is green. Well, one of my favorite colors is green, you guys. So it is what it is with that. All right, it's been green for a very long time. So here we go. First thing that pop out is the user's manual. You gotta love laser levels. You will need one. If you are a DIYer, you will need a laser level. Now this one is a little bit more advanced, but they do have cheaper ones if you want to get cheaper ones. But right here, sometimes it pays to get one like this because you have different point of views and you can do vertical, horizontal at the same time. You have something like this, they will take you serious. Check this bad boy out right there. So there you go. And look at that, digital. All right, digital. Let's see what it's like fresh out the box. Do we need to put batteries in? And I believe we have to put batteries in. So, which is okay because guess what? They gave us batteries. Got to salute to this company, you guys. They gave us batteries. All right, here we go. Oh, we got a power cord. Power cord. Oh, lithium ion battery pack. I didn't even know this was rechargeable. Oh, you get a remote. So you can actually hang your remote. That is awesome right there, you guys. You can't beat this. All right, you can't beat it. Wow. All right, you have stencils, you have a metal platform right here. We have this right here. This is where you can screw it onto a stud or wherever you need to screw it on and get like an accurate reading. That way it stays still. Or if you have a tripod, you can try to look for a tripod. And for the most part, it's magnetic. Oh, very magnetic. Wow, that's very strong. So what you're going to do is you're going to screw this onto the wall and then you just link it up, snaps on, and it stays right on the wall. All right. If you don't want to mount this on the wall, you can mount this. So you do have your little screw hook up here or screw hole where you can mount that. So that's pretty cool. You have your adjustment up right here. So you can make your adjustments. And you actually have a measurement on here. Y'all can see the measurements right there. And then you have your measurements vertical. And this is cool because you get a better accuracy when you going by measurements. And then you have your adjustments. So that's forward and backwards. You can go left and right if you need to go left a little bit. So I like this because you're not moving the whole thing by hand. And you could take your time when you're moving it and making your adjustments. So you have many ways to make adjustments on here. I'm trying to go over everything that I can right now. They also have their brand right here. I like that they promoting themselves. There you go. You have a tripod connection there, and you have your other connection, which I have one of these connections. All right, you guys. So right here is the button where you release for the battery. Now I'm going to see if this have any type of juice in it. Right here we have the rechargeable battery, and then here you have the standard batteries where you could put 4 AA's, and basically both of them fit. So you see that the 4 AA's fit right in there perfectly. I'm going to tap this out. And then you have your rechargeable battery pack. So if you are on the field, you can use your rechargeable. If you need more time, then swap out with your battery and then recharge your chargeable battery because it actually has a port on this battery right here. So this is very innovative, you guys. All right, clip that in. Let's see what we're working with. All right, so right now it is on. Ooh. I'm not level. I love that it makes sound. Let's see what happens. Okay, so you got your X axis, Y axis. So you can set, all right, so this is horizontal, horizontal. This is horizontal. So you got two horizontal lines. If you keep pressing, and then you have a vertical. And I think it's just, okay, you got two verticals and you got two horizontals. You can't see the other vertical right here. This is where the other vertical is located. So you have your vertical going this way, and then you have a vertical going this way. And then you have a horizontal going that way. Now, how did they do the two horizontals? I don't know. But I see where the two verticals are located. So that's pretty cool. Now, you may want to use two horizontals to make sure you have accurate measurements when you come into your height. So that will be cool. All right, and if you want to, all right, so if you're tilted, it lets you know that you're not level. And that's to turn it all the way off in the middle. All the way back is all the way on. So this is pretty cool, you guys. I actually like this. Let me turn it off real quick. All right, you guys, so I'm going to put this on. Gotta push it back some. Twist, twist, twist. You guys, this is a serious laser level, you guys. This is not a toy, okay? When you take this to the job site, they looking at you like this guy is serious. Now, right here, you can make an adjustment. It's going left. Well, for me, it's going left. For you, it's going right, as you can see. So just imagine this on the wall. So this is pretty cool, you guys. And this is by precision. This is not like you grabbing it and, you know, trying to figure it out. You're going by precision when you're doing your levels. And once again, if you need to go back, side, forward, and all of that good stuff, here goes your axis. You know, you got your X axis, the Y axis, you have X and Y, tilt direction, pause mode. You got all that good stuff, you guys. If you are a DIYer, this is definitely a good product. Just, you can keep this forever, you guys. I'm gonna tell you why you may need it for DIY. As a matter of fact, I can show you real quick, just so that you can be ready when you are DIYing. So let me go ahead, try to set something up and show y'all real quick. That way y'all can get like ideas of, you know, why would you need a laser level? Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it right now. And this is cool. You could kind of grab this like this. Kind of awesome, right? You could go to the job site and be like, all right, let me find out what's level for y'all. All right, I'm having too much fun. All right, you guys. So right now we are in the basement. This whole basement we built on our own. It was blank, all right? If you have followed me from the beginning of my channel, I actually show you the progression of me working in the basement. A lot of product reviews came from the beginning building of this basement. Blah, 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 blah. Now, one thing you will need your laser level for now, and we did use a laser level for this, you guys, your recess lights. All right. Why do you need a laser level for your recess lights? So you want your lights in a straight line. All right. You want it in a straight line going straight down, all the way down, wherever you at. And then horizontal. So if you're looking here, this is vertical, right? And then beside that light right there is a horizontal light. So we have another light that's matching that. So the thing with these recess lights, they're not the traditional recess lights where the housing is mounted on the stud. These recess lights are the ones that I reviewed. I think they're canless lights. they're called canless from Lowe's. So these basically you can drill your hole and they have flaps on them and you push it in, just like the Gobi lights I reviewed that's in my studio. So with that, you need to make sure you have the right measurement of where you want to be at. So what you do is you get a laser level. Now I'm just doing a mock-up, all right? So what we did was we measured out, I believe we measured out 2 foot from this, I don't know why my mind go blank when I'm on camera, but this duct area. So basically the bulkhead, that's what it's called. All right, so we went 2 foot away from this bulkhead right here, and then I believe we did the same amount in this area over here. And what we did was we made a mark. So we went 2 foot, made a mark. I believe it's 2 foot. We went 2 foot and made another mark, and we made another mark. And then we hit a straight line all the way straight, just to make sure that all our markings were straight, okay? Now let's go ahead, and once again I'm showing y'all the reason why you will need a laser level. And of course I'm not, I know I'm not level. Vertical, there we go. Okay, now I want to get rid of the horizontal. Goodbye horizontal. All right, I'm going to put it on the floor. All right, now the cool thing about this one, well, I know y'all can't see me, but the cool thing about this one is I can make my adjustment on the floor. So I'm actually twisting it. And right now I'm doing a mock-up right now because we're not on stud, or I'm not going with any line. I'm just going with the recessed lights. All right. And I'm trying to split it. So the best way I could do this is like split or measure the recessed light from the wall and center the recessed light from the wall. That's the best way I can measure it if I want to line this line up perfectly, okay? So I will measure from that wall to the center of this light, and then I will go down all the way down there and measure to the center of the last light and try to match it going straight down. But this is how you put your recessed lights up, you guys. So right now I'm centered on this one, but I'm not centered on the one down there. So that's what I'm saying, that this is a reason why you need a laser level, because when you're doing something like this, putting recessed lights up, is, you know, something that you really need some good precision. Get yourself a laser level, you guys. The link to this one will be in the description, okay? Let me turn this off. All right, so I hope that helps. I will do some like YouTube shorts and whatever else I need to do to go ahead and try to be a little bit more informative to y'all and give y'all a better idea of why you would need these type of tools, especially if you DIYing. Why do you need a laser level? Why do you need a level at all? And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.